Take it from me, user experience is a satisfying, rewarding, and meaningful career. And if you're serious about working in UX, the Professional Diploma in UX Design is the world's only university accredited online course of its kind, giving you the skills and qualifications you need to build a long-term career. We've partnered with the world's leading tech companies to make sure the course is relevant, up to date, and focused on the skills and knowledge that employers are looking for. The course is underpinned by a university standard in-depth syllabus, presented to you in a series of bite-sized videos that you can watch in your own time, wherever and whenever it's convenient. It's a genuine education, the type you won't get in a boot camp, but it doesn't mean that we're academics. We're professionals, and we've structured the course to follow the life cycle of an actual UX project. You'll work on real-world case studies, building your experience and a portfolio of work through guided step-by-step projects. You'll have regular sessions with our team of mentors, and you'll be able to share your experience with a small community of fellow students. You'll learn to think like a UX designer and adopt the mindset that makes them so valuable. You'll have the confidence that comes from a true, deep understanding of the domain. You'll have job-ready skills and a portfolio to prove it, and you'll have a university diploma, a globally recognized qualification. Everything that you need to build a great career in UX.